Breaking news. Mountain bike rider Ariana Evangelista become the second reported doping case in 24 hours at Asian Games in Hangzhou and third overall. The 27-year-old has been provisionally suspended after failing a drug test for the banned substance of erythropoietin o APO, which enhance performance, the International Testing Agency said. What the fuck? Ano nga ba? Parang triple black eye. Masususpend malamang si Ariana. Tapos, yun nangyari pa nga sa race na double flat siya. Tapos, hindi siya nakapesto. So, ayun, malamang mag-aapila yan sa blood test ulit or urine. Titingnan nila